Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is momentum, mass times velocity, and the basis of all collision physics. By the end of this, you'll know the formula, the conservation law, and the engineering trick that makes car crashes survivable. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. P equals m times v. Units, kilograms, meters per second. It's a vector. Direction matters. The bigger and faster something is, the more momentum it has, and the harder it is to stop. Three things. 1. The conservation of momentum. Total momentum before equals total momentum after in any closed system. 2. Force equals the rate of change of momentum, so F equals delta P divided by delta T. And 3. Increasing delta T, the collision time, reduces the force. This is the principle behind airbags, crumple zones, and seatbelts. Common slip, confusing momentum with kinetic energy. Both involve mass and velocity, but momentum is m times v, the vector, and kinetic energy is half mv squared, which is scalar. They're different quantities. Quick example, a 1,000 kilogram car at 20 meters per second hits a stationary 1,500 kilogram car. They stick together. So for conservation, 1,000 times 20 equals 2,500 times v. So v equals 8 meters per second as momentum is preserved. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.